Hello guys. Whoop. I just dropped something. Hold on. Sorry. This is Wednesday, May the 15th. I have been sick. Sick. My colitis hit me about 1 o'clock in the morning on Monday, and it was the worst that I have ever had. So this is the first day I've really felt decent. I have been down since Monday. Really, Sunday I didn't feel good, so maybe it started Sunday night, but oh my gosh, that was horrible. Well, I lost my scissors, so I had to get a new pair. Well, how am I going to get these? Well, I guess they have a twisty thing. It has been raining like crazy here. All it does is rain. I'm so tired of rain, and it's chilly, and it's soupy and soppy, and yuck. Yeah, our weather has been horrible. It's raining again out there. You can't get out and mow because it's so wet and muddy. So, yeah. Well, I got a stitch fix today. And you know now they are not honoring the Style Pass anymore. You cannot pay $50 and get unlimited Style Pass. It's gone. There is no more. So mine is already ended. So I have to pay the $20 a fix just like you guys. So I'm not really thrilled about that. What are you going to do? They said in my email that they sent to me that they are going to try and come up with a different Style Pass type thing, but we shall see. So I don't know. This might be my last one for a little bit just because of the cost, and everything is so expensive. It's just crazy. Okay. What do we have? Number 99. Oh my gosh, fix number 99. How can I stop at 99? I'm going to have to do 100. Oh my gosh. I still have my girl Claudia doing my styling. Everything in this box is $283. If you buy all, you get a $70.75 discount, which is 25%. And it would be $212.25. So I went ahead and picked out my picks on the app, and I basically like everything on here when you know. So this is what it looks like. So let's get started. It looks like all tops and a pair of shorts. Okay, let's start with the, ooh, where's my, oh, here it is. Let's start with the shorts. Get this back open. Okay, Vigos, I guess that's how you say it. Marley mid-rise destructed raw edge cut short in indigo, and that is the $48, the second cheapest. It's not the cheapest. Now I liked these because online they look like they were longer, but I don't know, they kind of look short to me. I would cut off those little pieces if they were my shorts. I don't like those little pieces. So I like the color of them. So that is that. Next. Okay, this is Daniel Rain Naren Smocked Detail Blouse in blue. $58. This, okay, it's not the highest. And of course, you know I'm going to like this because of color anyway. It's kind of greenish blue, I guess. And there it is. It's got a little cutout in the back. So, of course, I like that one. But, of course, they don't always look good when you try them on. I have found that out. Paper Moon Nova Crochet Halter Blouse in teal green. This is the cheapest at $39. Now, I like this. Boy, this is see-through. Big time. Which way does this go? Sometimes they got so many tags. Wow. Definitely got to wear... how would you wear something under that? That is... I could see myself through that. I don't know about that. It's not... I like this part, but it's not like you can wear a cami or something underneath that. That is odd. And sometimes these armholes are humongous. That looks like a humongous armhole to me. I don't know about this one. Okay. Next is 41 Hawthorne Orly Mixed Material Sleeveless Top. $59. I like this red and the blue. I really don't have anything red. The back looks like that. So I do like this one. And already, last but not least, Vince Camuto Joyce Flutter Sleeve Henley Blouse in red. $79. This is the most expensive thing in this box. Oh my gosh, this is mega see-through. I don't think you can, well, you can see my doorway. I don't know if you can see that on camera, but wow, that is very, very, yeah, you could wear a cami under that. Oh my gosh, that's a long tail. I mean, I like the colors and everything. We'll just have to see. Since I have had my stomach issue with everything I've done, I could feel I've lost weight. I'm going to try my hardest to eat better because I don't want to go through what I went through these last couple of days. That means a lot of bland things, a lot of crackers, rice, which I eat rice anyway. Tonight I had some little chicken things from the Walmart deli just because I felt like I needed something to boost me up a little bit. But yeah, I'm gonna really, this changed a lot of things. I have been so much in pain, you have no idea. Okay, this is a Stitch Fix video, not an ulcer video. So, what do I think I'm gonna like out of this? I think I'm gonna, I don't know. I think I might like this and definitely like this. This green one, just because it's so see-through, I probably would not pick that myself. Of course, this top is cute, but those armholes are just gigantic. I don't know why they're so big. The shorts, I can take them or leave them. I have shorts, which I can't even fit into, so... you know, it's not that big of a thing. So, money is a concern for me this time. I'm trying to conserve as much as possible. So, we shall see what happens. So, I guess I will let you go and try to get back on here and tell you what I picked. I know somebody asked, how come you don't get back on here and say what you picked? Well... at one point, I had so many videos going on in my photo album, I couldn't figure out what clothes went with what I picked. So I got messed up. So I'm going to try not to be messed up now and let you guys know. So, all right, that is all I have today. And I shall get back with you. See ya.